Hello! Today, as usual, I bring you some very short but very useful phrases in Spanish. But this time we are going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to give you phrases you might hear or you might need to say when you go to a restaurant and you ask to sit, you ask for a table. And we're going to do 3 different situations, 3 different ways that conversation might go. And for each of these cases, we are going to see a very short conversation so you can see how it actually goes. So if that's something that might interest you, please stick around because I'm sure you're going to learn something new today. Let's start. For example, when you arrive at a restaurant, something easy you can say is Hola, para cenar, por favor. Hola, para cenar, por favor. That's a way to say, Hi, I'd like to have dinner, please. Or para comer, por favor, to eat, please. That is just a way to tell the staff at the restaurant that your intention is to eat, to have a meal. Because I don't know in your country, in Spain, especially at lunchtime, dinner time, they don't let you sit to have a coffee or a drink. You have to have a meal, you have to have dinner or lunch because you are taking a place, you are taking a table to spend 2 euros or 3 euros on a coffee when other people might be waiting to spend 50, 60 euros. So it's just a business choice. So they don't let you sit, if there are a lot of people, just to have a coffee. So you can say that, para cenar, para comer, por favor. And the staff might ask you, ¿Tiene reserva? ¿Tiene reserva? Do you have a reservation? In some countries in America, they say reservación. Same thing. Right? And let's say that this time you don't have it for whatever reason. No, no tengo reserva. No, no tengo reserva. No, I don't have a reservation. But you are lucky and the staff says, no pasa nada. No pasa nada. It's fine, it's okay, no problem. Por aquí, por favor. Por aquí, por favor. This way, please. Come this way. Por aquí just means through here, this way. You can then ask them, ¿Puedo sentarme fuera? ¿Puedo sentarme fuera? Can I sit outside? Another way to ask this is, ¿Puedo sentarme en la terraza? Can I sit at the terrace? La terraza, the terrace, is how we call the tables and chairs outside of a restaurant, on the street. Or, ¿Puedo sentarme dentro? Can I sit inside? Like if it's cold, can I sit inside? ¿Puedo sentarme dentro? And then they'll say, donde usted quiera. Donde usted quiera. Wherever you want, wherever you like. They use usted because in service jobs, they are usually using the formal you, usted. And quiera, the subjunctive, because whatever you want, when we want to say like whatever, wherever, whoever, we use the subjunctive. Donde usted quiera, wherever you want. You can also ask, ¿Esta mesa está bien? ¿Esta mesa está bien? Is this table okay? Like it's not taken, can I use it? Or when you pick the table, aquí mismo está bien. Aquí mismo está bien. Right here is fine. Right now, let's see this short conversation in action so you can see it in real life. Hola, buenas noches. ¿Para cenar, por favor? Buenas noches. ¿Tiene reserva? No, no tengo reserva. No pasa nada. Por aquí, por favor. ¿Puedo sentarme fuera? ¿Puedo sentarme dentro? Donde usted quiera. ¿Esta mesa está bien? Aquí mismo está bien. Gracias. Next situation. Again, we go to a restaurant. We want to sit. And this time the restaurant staff says, Hola, ¿cuántos son? Hola, ¿cuántos son? Hi, how many are you? How many people in your party? Then you can answer, Somos dos. Somos dos. We are 2. It's 2 of us. 2. Or 3, 3, 4, 4. Any number of people. Then again, ¿tienen reserva? ¿Tienen reserva? Do you all have a reservation? Tienen. The verb to have for ustedes. You guys, you all formal. And this time we were ready. Sí, tenemos reserva. Yes, we do have a reservation. Then they will ask, ¿a nombre de quién? ¿A nombre de quién? Under whose name? Under what name? Or they might ask, ¿a qué nombre? Same thing. But we don't say bajo, under, no. And you answer, a nombre de David. A nombre de David. Under David. Maybe they check and they say, no la encuentro. No la encuentro. I can't find it. Because these things happen. Sometimes somebody books the restaurant under a different name, like my mom. When she books a place, we never know if it's under her name, my dad's name, our name. So then you can say, pruebe con María. Pruebe con María. Try with María. Pruebe. Try. And now they search and, sí, aquí está. Sí, aquí está. Yes, here it is. They found it. Alright, so now let's see again the conversation. Hola, buenas noches. ¿Cuántos son, por favor? Hola, somos 2. ¿Tienen reserva? Sí, tenemos reserva. ¿A nombre de quién? A nombre de David. No la encuentro. Pruebe con María. Sí, aquí está. Gracias. And the last one, again, same situation, going to a restaurant, but different outcome. So this time we go to the restaurant and, hola, bienvenidos. Hola, bienvenidos. Hi, welcome. Bienvenidos or bienvenidas. If it's a women's group of clients, welcome. And you can ask, ¿tiene mesa para dos? ¿Tiene mesa para dos? Do you have table for 2? And they'll ask again, ¿tienen reserva? ¿Tienen reserva? Do you guys have a reservation? And we say, no tenemos. No tenemos. We don't have. And this time we are unlucky, so they say, lo siento, el restaurante está lleno. Lo siento, el restaurante está lleno. I'm sorry, the restaurant is full. Or, lo siento, no hay sitio. Lo siento, no hay sitio. Sorry, there's no place. And they'll say, tendrán que esperar. Tendrán que esperar. You will have to wait. And we can ask them, ¿cuánto tiempo más o menos? ¿Cuánto tiempo más o menos? How much time, more or less? About how long? Roughly how long? We have to wait. And they might say something like, unos 30 minutos. Unos 30 minutos. About 30 minutes. And then you can choose, de acuerdo, esperaremos. De acuerdo, esperaremos. All right, we'll wait. Or if you don't want to wait, no podemos esperar tanto. Gracias. No podemos esperar tanto. Gracias. We cannot wait that long. Thank you. Or you can even just say, es igual, gracias. Never mind, thank you. Alright, let's see how this conversation goes. Hola, bienvenidos. Buenas. ¿Tiene mesa para dos, por favor? ¿Tienen reserva? No tenemos. Lo siento, el restaurante está lleno. Lo siento, no hay sitio. Tendrán que esperar. ¿Cuánto tiempo más o menos? Unos 30 minutos. De acuerdo, esperaremos. No podemos esperar tanto. Gracias. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something new. If you did, please consider subscribing so I can keep making more content for free to share with everybody. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego.